This is the W66 Apple Lookalike Smartwatch with Bluetooth calling, a selection of some really nice watch faces in it, stock ones, and a special one you can install from a collection on the actual app. You've got all these different controls on here, including this one that's lit up, which is a Bluetooth audio toggling system, so that if you have it connected Bluetooth to your phone, you can turn that on and off, so you can enable or disable working with Bluetooth calling or music playing. You got a variety of different activities that you can invoke. No GPS on this one, but those are available. Notifications sent to you from your phone when you're tethered will show up here. And you have all kinds of apps, your step count, your last night's sleep time. You've got a countdown, inhale, exhale, breathing relaxation app, all the different metrics from heart rate, blood pressure, and temperature on this one in Fahrenheit or centigrade, blood oxygen. You've got music players, female cycle if you've registered as a female, weather in your area is shown on it, all kinds of other things as well. In addition, you can change the actual layout on here from being the 9-grid style to the familiar Apple, and you can zoom in and zoom out with the knob on it as well. All in all, it's a really nice Apple lookalike with Apple-style band smartwatch. Thin, easy to operate, bright screen. Check it out, the W66.